So back to the arm. Again, I mark the elbow about where the bottom rib cage, elbow. See, still get box right here. The side, the back. Center line. See, back to the box. Once we know the box, we know where to shade. Let's do it on this side. Let me curve this way. The arm is a curve. Don't make it straight, okay? You see actually I have a curve. And then I'm going to curve out this way. The leg also has a curve, has an S curve. Like that. Redraw that shoulder blade. Very, very important. If you guys draw the back view or draw 3/4 view, if you see that shoulder blade, you have to draw it, okay? Because a lot of stuff happen on the shoulder blade. It's going to affect the surface of the body. So. See how that flow right into the elbow? Okay, so again, look what we have here. And we can use the black too. So we have one head, second head about the bottom of the shoulder blade. Shoulder blade. Third head about your top of your pelvis. If you see through it, it will be your belly button. Fourth head, which would be the bottom pelvis, not the bottom of your gluteal muscle though. It's about right here. Okay, that's your fourth head. Again, midpoint. 5 head. 6 head. 7 head. 8 head. Oops. So this is the proportion and the plane, the structures you guys need to know on the back view of the figure.